Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Comprehension. A longitudinal study tracking adolescents over 5 years revealed that those who consistently slept fewer than 7 hours per night exhibited declining attention spans, impaired decision-making skills, and increased irritability. While academic pressure and screen use were common explanations, researchers emphasized that prolonged sleep deprivation, rather than occasional late nights, was the strongest predictor of reduced cognitive performance. This paragraph best supports the statement that A. Academic pressure is the main cause of poor decision-making among adolescents. B. Occasional lack of sleep has little effect on teenagers. C. Long-term sleep deprivation significantly impairs adolescents' cognitive abilities. D. Screen use is more harmful than sleep loss. The correct answer is letter C. Long-term sleep deprivation significantly impairs adolescents' cognitive abilities. The passage stresses consistent and prolonged sleep deprivation as the key factor. Did you get it right?